Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the memorial of the dedication of the Basilica of Saint Mary Major in Rome. Mga kapatid, sa buhay po natin, hindi po mawawala yung kadiliman, yung mga hirap, pagsubok sa buhay. Yan po ay reality na hindi po mawawala habang tayo'y humihinga. Kaya po sa paglalakbay ng buhay, makakaranas tayo ng mga pagsubok sa buhay, ng mga hirap sa buhay, ng mga pagkakataon na tila madilim ang ating paglalakbay. Pero sa mga pagkakataon na ganito, ano ba ang ating nagiging reaksyon o ang ating attitude? Halina't matuto sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon. Ang ebanghelyo po natin ay pagpapatuloy po pagkatapos ng milagro ng pagpaparami ng tinapay at ng isda ng Panginoon, na pinakain niya ang 5,000 men, not including women and children in the number. Kaya po na namangha ang mga tao sa kanya. And even in the gospel of Saint John, people wanted to make him a king because they were so impressed, amazed with Jesus. And so, nag-iba ang tingin nila kay Jesus sapagkat gumawa siya ng kagilagilas. And so, Jesus did not want this. And so, he distanced himself from the people, and he wanted to be alone and pray. And so, this is the same case that Jesus wanted to his disciples. They were probably so impressed, amazed that they were included in the limelight given to Jesus. And so probably they had this wrong impression of Jesus. And so in order to avoid this, Jesus asked his disciples to go away by themselves. And so ito po yung ating ebanghelyo ngayon, lumayag ang mga alagad. At habang sila'y nasa dalampasig sa baybay, sa dagat, ay doon nakita sila sumunod si Jesus naglalakad sa madilim at malakas na alon ng dagat. And so they were so terrified, and they thought they saw a ghost. But then suddenly Jesus spoke to them and said, "Courage, do not afraid, it is I." Well, this is the first reminder for us, my dear brothers and sisters. Sa ating paglalakbay, madilim, malakas ang alon, nakakatakot, maraming pagsubok, mabigat, huwag natin kakalimutan itong mga salita ng Panginoon. It is I, do not be afraid. God is bigger than all our fears in life. And so let us not be afraid to move forward, to continue our journey, because we know this assurance of Jesus that He will never abandon us. He has not left us orphans. Let us be reminded of this. And then when Peter heard this, he cried out, "Lord, if it is you, command me to focus on to come to you on the water." And Jesus said, "Come." And Peter was able to walk for a while because he was focused on the Lord. But when he changed his focus and looked at the winds and the waves, Then he began to sink. And he asked the Lord, Lord, save me. Well, ganito rin po sa buhay natin mga kapatid. Totoo, maraming mga pagsubok sa ating paglalakbay. Maraming, in fact, overwhelming circumstances in our lives. But when we are focused on the Lord, we can walk despite of all these challenges in our lives. But when we begin to focus our attention on these challenges alone, without God, then we will always sink. We will always experience what people commonly call now depression. Depression is a reality. It's real. But this depression can easily creep in when we do not have God in our life. And so, it is a good reminder for us. Yes, we can sink, we can get depressed because of these challenges of life, trials and tribulations. But we can walk despite of all these challenges if we are focused on the Lord. Yan po sana yung ating gawin sa ating paglalakbay sa buhay upang sa kanon magpatuloy tayo sa kabila ng ating hirap at pagsubok sa buhay. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.